So we can see on the results, the particles from an infected person swirls around the jeepney without the barrier causing multiple infection. And if there is a wind velocity present in the environment, this does not carry all the particles away from the jeepney. Simulation results from the jeepney model with barriers shows that barriers limited the movement of the particles from the infected person. If there is no wind velocity present, the particle still approaches the person in front. But if there is a wind velocity present, the particles were easily sucked out of the vehicle, was carried away by the wind, and does not linger around the jeepney. With these results, we can actually see how important the barriers are to prevent the spread of viruses. But barriers on their own are still not enough. Wearing proper face mask and face shield are still necessary to eradicate any viruses from affecting another person.